never opened a pack of baseball cards before in my life. $3, $2.99.
Here, I'll chew the gum.
Yeah. That doesn't bode well, Kat. She said she was going to eat it.
Did it break?
Yeah, this is the pack, as you can see, and this chunk fell out of it. I'll hand you that first bit. You know, right as you said it, too, it dropped out. So that's why you don't say stuff like that. Because it's just, that's why I don't say stuff like that.
It is like solid.
Yeah, I'm sure. Oh, here's the other half of it.
It's almost 40 years old.
Hey. Hey there. You try?
No.
Okay. Well, next time your brother's over, I'm just gonna give it to him and see what he says.
Ew.
He'll eat it.
No. Ew.
Your brother would
Cancer
definitely
from that.
chew for. No, it's just gonna taste bad. Like, there's nothing in there that's perishable. It doesn't smell like anything. Like, really what it is all the flavoring deteriorated and now it probably tastes like drywall. Wait a second. Hold on. The guy on the back is not the same as the guy on the front.
Okay. Two different.
Wait, hold on.
What?
Oh, this might be two cards put together. Oh, it's two cards put together.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
you know what we got? You're all excited.
There's a crusty old baseball player. I'll tell you what. He was about my age in that photo. That's
Look at the way his arm is twisted back. That doesn't look natural.
Yeah. Looks like everything.
I got 36 results for this one.
Hmm.
So these cards are in good condition.
No. Let me look at the packaging. There might be some. I'm gonna get your brother to eat this gum. I love him, but he's gonna eat 40-year-old gum. I'm gonna send my name, age, and address.
For the sweepstakes.
Yeah. On an index card, basically. That's what it says. Send it suspiciously close to the name of my
Yeah,
recruiter.
this is the one we have here. Found him.
I'm liking this setup. I watched Queso break open packs in a video game for an hour the other night. I think you were with me, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we kind of knew that's what it was going to be. This is interesting, though. I got this never had
Oh, I
baseball
wanted to see
cards.
that one. You said, you said I'd like it.
Oh, yeah, this is going to be a... Yo, we are just some mean people. Well, Kat uses a floodlight to look at a baseball card.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Couldn't find them on eBay.
Yeah, probably because it's not worth the eBay listing, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel horrible saying it about these guys, but let's be honest. These guys' careers ended, like, before a lot of the people who will watch this were born.
Sure,
Like,
yeah.
you know. Okay, Jerry.
This one.
He was Player of the Year in 1975,
Ooh.
13 years before this card was made. That's him.
Is that the card?
That is the card.
Cool.
That is him. I mean, he was Player of the Year in 1975.
Yeah.
Like,
He's
that's
really ripped. Look at his legs.
Oh yeah, he's the shortstop, second baseman. He's on the, running. With that card, we've actually probably made the cost of the $3 pack, to be honest with you. So, what I'm gonna do is maybe if none of them are really worth anything, I'm gonna buy more baseball cards. All right. I can tell you right now that this is now something that's gonna happen. Okay. Led the Carolina League with 12 sacrifices. Well, that's quite the statistic to go for.
Yeah.
Sacrifices. To any European people, that is not nearly as horrible as it sounds. Really makes it sound terrible. It's very little blood usually.
Yeah.
Very little. Okay, for the Twins. Mr. Tom Kelly, manager. This is a manager's card.
Tom Kelly.
Tom Kelly. He just looks like he's telling you to steal second.
Mhm.
Okay, we have Tom Selleck's alcoholic cousin. Yeah.
Well, what a great last
Yeah,
name.
and he has a mustache and a gold chain and just all kind of Chicago Cub.
No results.
And some places say it's $2. I'd say this guy is more than $1. Okay.
Baller.
That's just there's just a lot about him that just says. I mean, I might
Look at the chest hair.
I might put that in the frame and just be. In fact, I am. From now on, I'm keeping that to commemorate.
That's pretty great.
I can't. Oh, well, maybe I should be able to see the screen there. Oh, look at this guy here. Yo, he would. You could probably get it from my mom, unfortunately. Like,
Your mom would like him?
yeah, probably so.
She would go for him?
Yeah, probably so. If he was a tall baseball player, like, yeah. Like, he probably has some money. Like, he's not an idiot, probably. What's that?
Gold chains, yeah.
My father. I'm gonna ask Chat about cards in the future one day. Like, what is this worth in 2027? Recently sold $33.22. $33.
Really? Oh, wow.
PSA 10, which I don't know. I just opened this. How much more could we get?
Yeah. I don't see any Mike Marshalls on eBay, so maybe no one has them.
Could be as much as $33. Wow. Some of these names are just too baseball playery. It's amazing. Bucky Buckles.
Whoa.
Do you see that, Serbia?
NERKM.
Focus back. There you go,
This 232 to 250 is what I'm seeing on this one.
camera. Okay.
For Paul Kornoko.
Well, we got 2 of them, so that paid for the pack technically. Yeah, I mean, I can keep one and sell one, right? We'll buy the house in Monaco with one, and we'll keep the other one for a rainy day, you know? Okay, Carl Dale.
Carl Dale.
Carl Dale.
Spelled how you would think.
Oh, yeah. With a C with Carl. Because we're American. Tell me what you think about these guys.
Interesting.
Yeah, 20 cents.
A little more like, I guess he like posed for this picture. It's kind of silly when they pose for him. I'd rather them be action shots. 1991.
Hey, the gum is in slightly better condition.
Uh-oh. Is
Okay.
it holding together?
It's holding together. I guess that's the 3-year difference right there. We might have figured out when gum separates like that now. Okay, and we're back to the regular old tops.
Oh, Tim Costo, $12.55 on this. Rare vintage, it says.
Is it the same card?
Yeah.
Okay.
$12.55 it says. 103.
Okay, let me write that down. Another bust. I mean, this is just baseball all over. Oh yeah, Kurt Stillwell. Oh yeah. I mean, that guy was just born with a baseball bat in his hand.
Our
Yeah.
last pack, 1991 tops. These say traded. Team USA.
That might be something, yeah. No, I've already looked these up. They don't have any like real intrinsic value or anything. They're done by some artists, right? No. See this flap here? See that? Smells like 1996. you know, opening this pack will mean that that relic is gone forever. It'll never smell like the 90s ever again. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, right? Or all just candles in the wind, or farts in a rainstorm. Wow. They're nice. I mean, none of these are worth anything, but
Secret Garden was my favorite. The art's really neat.
these are really dope. Like, to be honest, I could take this to another country and sell it to them as.
Divine the cards.
Yeah. How long have you divined the cards?